bump back. Light skin, a little small fry. Bust down the Rolex on. Got my iPhone, I got my text on. You don't like them, tell it, get the hell on. I'ma light them up like glow zone. Ride around with the roof gone. Hang glide like the get low. Listen, shorty, here's a blindfold. You can't see, but your mind know. We're perfect match, your mind know. You can get it pop like mine know. Rat-tat-tat-tat. That's a little shorty, do it like that. Rat-tat-tat-tat. That's a little shorty, do it like that.
What's up, trendsetters? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So, this has been sitting since September.
Yeah,
we got a gimbal, y'all.
Yeah.
By the time you guys see this, we do not know the fate of TikTok Shop, but it did come from TikTok Shop.
Yeah.
So, hopefully it's still around, but if not,
Gimbal.
yeah. Gimbal here, you want to get the plastic off. And Jerry's recording us. You got us both in front of our faces.
Yeah.
Got our faces in
Yeah.
Gotta get in.
This thing's been sitting, so I figure I might as well do an unboxing too. Get up close on it. Make it look in the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Yeah, this is nice.
Dang, let's look at this one.
What is that? What's this look like, Jerry?
I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's a light.
Oh, this is the where you hold it. The little what you call it? This thing is nice. This is the charger.
Yeah, this is a light.
The charger for it. Yeah, that sounds nice right here. We got the little bucket. Show you how to use it. Little booklet. Tell you how to use it.
Yeah, it looks like it's got to charge up, so we'll have to come.
Probably got a charger here.
Yeah.
It's our gimbal, trendsetters.
No more shaky videos.
Yeah.
And this is the bottom. Oh, this is sturdier than I thought. It's not as flimsy as our last one. That's kind of sturdy. Alright, we'll come back to you guys because it has to charge. Oh yeah, we gotta open Jalen's gift.
Oh yeah, you want to open Jalen's.
Alright, so this is the gimbal right here. I'm gonna power it on.
The gimbal.
Alright, so why is it not? This is interesting. Reason. It's not going up or down, which is interesting.
It's charged. It's on
Charge. I just don't know why.
Gotta read. You still got the instruction though.
Yeah, this is interesting because the pipes not going up. Alright, I'll come back. Yeah, I got it to work, guys, but this is gonna take some practice. See? And then it's like things like he'll have to follow it, but I think that's true. It follows the whole room. If I flip it down to the floor, I'll flip it down against the floor, the dog. So it's pretty good at like keeping, like it moves around a lot. Supposedly it can follow you. So it's just gonna take some practice, but I'm in the middle of Christmas dinner, so I'm gonna have to come back to you guys. But I did get it working. I have it on, what is the, rotation mode and, I think cool mode. So I'll figure it out and come back to you guys. This is kind of not a good unboxing right now. But I'll figure it out. Getting it to like rotate has been a little bit of a challenge. Then up here, it
yeah,
can
there
rotate.
we go.
Yeah.
Working out.
So you could either do it with the joystick and kind of like turn it
around. Yeah, that's crazy.
Rotate.
That's crazy.
My learning curve with gimbals is pretty crazy, so it's going to be very interesting how we get along. Now it's like running, and then I haven't even turned it around to like first person point of view. But now that I've rotated it, it's kind of like off its axis. So it's kind of like, I would recommend if you turn this on, to leave it in like an auto mode. I don't recommend you power this on and like, cause you'll be super frustrated. Kind of leave it and don't go manual unless you really have to like zoom in on something. Maybe leave it in kind of like the auto mode when you're first starting out. Their app sucks. I don't like it. You can toggle between 4K on their app, but it's kind of like you're in a different firmware for your camera, and I don't really like that. I really love the Pixels firmware for their camera. I think that's what it's called, right, Jerry? Firmware? What tells the camera what to do?
Software?
I think it's called firmware. Whatever it is that, like, basically all the camera settings and all of that stuff. So yeah, I think it'll be great for like shooting cooking videos and getting angles of pops for you guys without having to like